Hello! Welcome, students. Welcome to the class. Our lesson for today is phonics and reading. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Double letter consonant sounds, phonics and reading. Bl, cl, fl, words. Bl, 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 ak, black, black. Bl, oo, blue, blue. Bl, o, blow, blow. Bl, ink, blink, blink. Let us read some words and you repeat. Blocks, blocks. Blame, blame. Blur, blur. Blood, blood. Bloom, bloom. Blaze, blaze. Blush, blush. Blind, blind. Blender, blender. Blossom, blossom. Blanket, blanket. Blizzard, blizzard. Let us read some sentences and you repeat. The teacher gives the students wooden blocks in the class. In the spring, the flowers start to bloom. The dog helps the blind man safely cross the street. Let us go to the next lesson. Clock, clock. Clock, clock, clock. Clock, hams, clams, clams. Clock, oud, cloud, cloud. Clock, own, clown, clown. Let us read some words and you repeat. Clay, clay. Close, close. Clap, clap. Clip, clip. Clean, clean. Climb, climb. Claw, claw. Class, class. Cliff, cliff. Clamp, clamp. Closet, closet. Clever, clever. Let us read some sentences and you repeat. She closes the door when she comes to the house. Jake cleans the classroom with his classmates. He gets clothes in the closet and takes a shower. Let us go to the next lesson. Fluff, fluff. Fluff, egg, flag, flag. Fluff, oot, flute, flute. Fluff, aim, flame, flame. Fluff, ash, flash, flash. Let us read some words and you repeat. Fly, fly. flat, flat. Flew, flew. Flip, flip. Float, float. Flood, flood. Flap, flap. Flakes, flakes. Floor, floor. Flight, flight. Fleet, fleet. Fluffy, fluffy. Let us read some sentences and you repeat. I see the birds that are flying in the sky. I do not come to the class today because I have a flu. The dog is very cute and very fluffy. I like to hug it. Good job, class. See you in the next lesson. Bye.